Hello everyone, welcome back to MindCast English.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Arlo.
And I'm Zara.
On this channel, we help you practice real, natural English conversations you can use in daily life.
And today we have a very exciting topic for you.
Yes, today we're going to learn how to share good news in English.
Good news is all around us. Maybe you got a new job.
Maybe you passed an important exam.
Or maybe something wonderful happened in your family.
But sometimes, even when we're happy, it's hard to know what to say in English.
That's why today we'll practice together.
We'll share our own good news, react to each other, and teach you useful phrases.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to MindCast English.
And turn on notifications so you never miss our lessons.
All right, let's begin.
Zara, how are you feeling today? You look very happy.
I really am happy, Arlo. Actually, I have some exciting news.
Oh, I love hearing good news. Tell me.
Guess what? I got a promotion at work.
What? That's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. I still can't believe it.
That's a big achievement. Tell me everything.
Okay, I've been working at my company for 3 years.
Yes, I remember.
Last month, my manager called me into her office.
That's always scary.
I was nervous, but then she smiled and said they were very happy with my work.
Oh, wow.
Then she said they wanted me to become team leader.
That's huge.
I was shocked. I didn't know what to say.
What did you say?
I asked, "Are you serious?"
That sounds like you.
She laughed and said, "You've earned this."
You really have.
And the best part is I'll get a higher salary too.
Even better. When do you start?
Next month. I'm excited but a little nervous.
That's normal. You'll do great. Did you tell your family?
Yes, my mom cried happy tears.
That's so sweet.
My dad said he was proud of me.
That must have felt amazing.
It really did. Sharing good news makes it even better.
That's so true.
But Arlo, you've been smiling a lot lately too.
Really?
Yes. Do you have good news?
Actually, yes, I do.
Tell me.
You know my partner, Lena?
Of course.
She's not my partner anymore.
What?
She's my fiancé now.
Oh my goodness. Congratulations.
Thank you. I proposed last weekend.
That's wonderful. How did it happen?
I planned everything carefully.
I want all the details.
I took her to the beach at sunset.
Very romantic.
I got down on one knee and asked her to marry me.
And she said yes?
She said yes immediately and started crying.
That's beautiful.
We celebrated with dinner and called our families.
How did they react?
Everyone was so happy. My mom cried, of course.
Moms always cry.
We haven't set a wedding date yet.
Whatever you choose, it'll be special.
Thank you. Sharing this with you makes it even more meaningful.
That's what friends are for.
You know, good news doesn't have to be big.
Exactly. Small good news matters too.
My friend passed his driving test after failing 3 times.
That's great.
My sister is expecting a baby.
That's wonderful news.
And my cousin just bought his first house.
All of those are worth celebrating.
So now let's help our viewers learn how to share good news in English.
Let's start with opening phrases.
Opening phrase 1. Guess what?
Opening phrase 2, you won't believe this.
Opening phrase 3. I have some exciting news.
Opening phrase 4, you'll never guess what happened.
Opening phrase 5. I'm so happy to tell you that.
Opening phrase number 5, I'm so happy to tell you that.
Now, how do we react to good news?
That's fantastic.
Congratulations.
I'm so happy for you.
You deserve it.
You deserve it.
I knew you could do it.
Now phrases for your own feelings.
I'm over the moon.
I can't believe it.
This is a dream come true.
I feel so grateful.
Asking questions is important too.
Tell me everything.
When did this happen?
How do you feel?
Remember, your tone and body language matter.
Smile. Be enthusiastic.
Good news should feel joyful.
Now let's review key vocabulary.
Promotion.
Engaged.
Achievement.
Celebrate.
Deserve.
Thrilled.
Announcement.
Propose.
Opportunity.
Scholarship.
Accomplish.
Grateful.
Proud.
Surprise.
Blessing.
Now a quick practice conversation.
Guess what? I passed my exam.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm so relieved.
You deserve it.
Another example.
I bought my first car.
That's fantastic.
How do you feel?
Very excited and independent.
See? Natural and simple.
Now it's your turn. What's the best good news you've received recently?
Write it in the comments.
Big or small, we want to hear it.
Today, we learned how to share good news in English.
We practiced useful phrases and real conversations.
Remember, good news is meant to be shared.
And it's a great way to practice English.
Thank you for watching MindCast English.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep sharing good news.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to MindCast English.
Hi, everyone. We're really glad you're here with us today.
I'm Arlo.
And I'm Zara.
On this channel, we help you practice real, natural English conversations you can use in daily life.
Today's topic is a little different, but very important.
Yes, today we're learning how to share bad news in English.
Bad news is never easy to talk about.
It can make us nervous, sad, or uncomfortable.
But bad news is part of life, and we need the right words to express it politely and clearly.
Today, we'll show you how to share bad news gently.
And how to react with kindness and empathy when someone tells you bad news.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to MindCast English.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss our lessons.
All right, let's get started.
Arlo, you look a bit quiet today. Is everything okay?
Honestly, Zara, not really.
Oh, do you want to talk about it?
Yes, I think I should. I have some bad news.
Okay, I'm listening.
I didn't get the job I applied for.
Oh no, I'm really sorry to hear that.
Thank you. I was hoping for a positive answer.
That must be disappointing.
It really is. I prepared so much for the interview.
What happened? Did they give you feedback?
Yes, they said I was qualified, but they chose someone with more experience.
That's tough. Anyone would feel upset.
I felt really low when I got the email.
I understand. Bad news can hit hard.
I didn't know how to tell my family.
How did you tell them?
I said, I have something difficult to tell you.
That's a very natural way to start.
They were disappointed but supportive.
That's good. Support makes a big difference.
It does. Sharing bad news feels lighter when someone listens.
That's very true. Zara, have you ever had to share bad news? Yes, unfortunately.
What happened?
Last year, I had to tell my friend that I couldn't attend her wedding.
Oh, that must have been hard.
It was. I felt terrible.
How did you say it?
I started by saying, I'm really sorry, but I have some bad news.
That sounds very polite.
Then I explained the reason calmly.
How did she react?
She was disappointed, but she understood.
That shows how important honesty and tone are.
Exactly. Bad news doesn't mean being rude or cold.
It means being clear, kind, and respectful.
Now let's help our viewers learn how to do this in English.
Let's start with phrases to begin sharing bad news.
Phrase 1. I'm sorry, but I have some bad news.
This is very common and polite.
Phrase 2. I'm afraid I have some bad news.
This sounds gentle and respectful.
Phrase 3. I don't know how to say this, but...
This shows that the news is difficult.
Phrase 4. Unfortunately...
This word prepares the listener for bad news.
Phrase 5. This is hard for me to say, but...
Now let's talk about reacting to bad news.
Phrase 1. I'm really sorry to hear that.
This is the most common response.
Phrase 2. That must be very difficult for you.
This shows empathy.
Phrase 3. I understand how you feel.
Only say this if you truly mean it.
Phrase 4. That's really unfortunate.
Phrase 5. If you need anything, I'm here.
Now, phrases to express your own feelings.
I'm feeling really disappointed.
I'm upset about what happened.
This isn't what I hoped for.
I need some time to process this.
Asking gentle questions is also important.
Do you want to talk about it?
What happened exactly?
How are you holding up?
Tone and body language matter a lot with bad news.
Speak slowly and calmly.
Keep your voice soft.
Show that you care.
Now let's review important vocabulary for bad news.
Disappointed.
Unfortunately.
Apologize.
Stressful.
Difficult.
Concerned.
Unexpected.
Delay.
Cancel.
Regret.
Support.
Sympathy.
Honest.
respectful.
Situation.
Now, let's practice with short conversations.
Phrase 1.
I'm afraid I failed my exam.
I'm really sorry to hear that.
I studied hard, but it wasn't enough.
That must be frustrating. Don't give up.
Phrase 2.
I'm sorry, but the meeting has been canceled.
Oh, that's disappointing.
We'll reschedule it soon.
Thanks for letting me know.
Phrase 3. Unfortunately, I won't be able to come tomorrow.
I understand. Thank you for telling me.
Phrase 4. I have some bad news. I lost my phone.
Oh, no, that's really unfortunate.
I'm feeling stressed about it.
I hope you find it soon.
See? These conversations are simple and natural.
You can use them in real life.
Now it's your turn. Have you ever had to share bad news in English?
What was it about? Write your answer in the comments.
Even writing about it is good English practice.
Today we learned how to share bad news politely.
We learned useful phrases and gentle reactions.
Remember, bad news is easier when shared kindly.
And empathy makes conversations stronger.
Thank you for watching MindCast English.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and take care of each other.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.